No matter where you go, Jamaica is the name most synonymous with the Caribbean. If you're subscribers, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 43 wonderful things to do in Jamaica. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button for more content, and also remember to turn on your notification bell. We're going to begin this list with Fort Charles coming in at number 43, and Fort Charles is located in Port Royal. Let your exploration begin with Fort Charles, where you can explore the history of Port Royal and find out about the wonderful people from this village near Kingston Harbour. Fort Charles was constructed in the mid-1600s by the English after the historic invasion of the island. The fort played a significant role in their defense in times of war, and still today there are several cannons standing around at the fort. One of the highlights of this tour is a museum experience which is made that much more engaging by the knowledgeable and passionate tour operators. Coming in at number 42, we have the Hip Strip located in Montego Bay. The Hip Strip is considered by some the heart of Montego Bay, and rightly so, as the pulsating rhythms of the various bars, restaurants and shops permeate the atmosphere day and night, drawing those who want to experience the vibrancy of the land of reggae music. If you're there in the evening, it may be worth a while to have some of the drinks and learn from the Jamaican dance moves at one of the hottest clubs in town. Early morning city crawlers will enjoy the action-packed beaches at this area. Number 41, Caymanas Golf Club, located in Spanish Town. Just a 20-minute drive from Kingston, you'll find the Caymanas Golf Club, which officially opened in 1957. Today, the 18-hole course attracts golfers from around the world, offering the perfect setting for both new and experienced golfers. High on the list of the best Caribbean golf course, Caymanas has always shown that they have a wonderful golf school, a pro shop, clubhouse and driving range, and chipping green. Coming at number 40, Cool Runnings Adventure Park, located in Negril. Explore Jamaica's largest water park and some excitement to your vacation. This is the perfect thing to do in Jamaica if you are bringing in your kids, but even if you are not traveling with children, you can still enjoy the river rafting or canoeing adventure, the wave pool, or some paintball action. Other activities include outdoor laser combat, go-kart, and kayaking. The party is open to 6 days a week, closed on Mondays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Coming in at number 39, we have Green Grotto Caves located in St. Anne. Back in the 1700s, the area known as the Green Grotto Caves attracted more than just curious explorers. It was a safe haven for Spaniards during the English invasion. Today, the caves still stands in all their glory, and we promise you, you haven't seen anything like this before. Coming in at number 38, Standing Spring Coffee Tour, located in Newcastle. Who knew a coffee tour could be as engaging as the one on offering by Standing Spring Plantation? You'll definitely be wide awake for this one as you trek into the Blue Mountains to explore coffee fields with plantation founder and owner Prince Smith. The plantation has existed for over 100 years, but only in recent times has it solidified itself and identified itself as a coffee grower and a distributor. You can choose between a brief 2-hour tour or more an extensive tour for 4 hours, which includes roasting your own coffee and going home with some of the samples. The coffee tour runs from 8:30 a.m. throughout 4:30 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Coming in at number 37, we have the Bob Marley Museum, and it's located in Kingston. As Bob said it best, every little thing will be alright, and it is always is, especially if you're in Jamaica. Fans of the late Bob Marley will be filled with euphoria once they set foot in the popular Bob Marley Museum in Jamaica. The museum is located at the musician's home, converted by his wife Rita Marley. This reggae-inspired tour provides an in-depth look into the life of Bob Marley, and you can also choose between the Combo One Love Tour, the Bob Marley Home Tour, and the Making of Music Tour. Coming in at number 36, we have Luminous Lagoon, located in Falmouth, and I've been to this one and it's quite good. A visit to the luminous lagoon must be on your things to do in Jamaica. Glowing waters is a rare find not only in the Caribbean but in the world. Microorganisms called dinoflagellates are responsible for the illuminating glow that this body of water in an area where the Martha Brae River meets the ocean. There are only 4 other locations in the world where you can witness this phenomenon, and the water in this area in Jamaica is said to glow the brightest of all days because of the constant climate. Coming in at number 35, we have Winifred's Beach, located west of Port Antonio. It goes without saying that you're going to do some beach hopping while in Jamaica, since the stars have already aligned precisely for you to do just that. You might as well check out Winifred's Beach. A must-see, out of the way golden strands and nearly disappointed. A few years ago, the beach came narrowly close to being developed by a way of business centers and villas, but still, today it remains as pristine and refreshing as it has always been, and it will do so well to enjoy while you still can. Coming in at number 34, we have Sunken Pirate City, and this is located, of course, in Port Royal. Forget Pirates of the Caribbean, the real story awaits to hit the big screen in Jamaica, where you can find Pirates' Tale of Generations. Did you know that Port Royal was once considered a pirate's heaven, once seeing the likes of Blackbeard, Henry Morgan, and Callio Jack? Well, you find out all this and more while visit the pirate sunken city area in Port Royal, which was destroyed by the massive earthquake in 1692. Now the remains of the city lay underwater, and they are a major tourist attraction. Find out how you can explore the area with a local dive center. Coming in at number 33, we have Boston Bay, located in Portland. Welcome to Surface Paradise. Grab your board and get ready to hit the waves. Unless, of course, you want to just kick back and relax and take in the sights and sounds or indulge in the great seaside Caribbean restaurants. The best time for a wave action is between June and December, which also happens to be the rainy seasons. For sun seekers, this time of the year may serve as a deterrent, but not for people hoping to ride the biggest waves in Jamaica.